Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin with basic safety and the first physical action. Unplug the keyboard and flip it over on a towel so pieces won't bounce away. Use a keycap puller held straight, hook or clip evenly on opposite sides of the cap. Pull upward with steady, even force until the cap pops free, not jerking, because uneven force bends stems. Once you've removed a few simple keys, you'll know the feel. This prevents damage when you move on to trickier areas. Now you tackle larger keys that have stabilizers. You should hold the stabilizer wire near each end while you pry the cap up to avoid bending the wire. Use 2 hands if needed. If the stabilizer clips resist, slide a flat plastic tool gently under the cap edge to shift pressure, because prying at the wrong angle can pop the stabilizer or tear clips. Once done, lay caps out in keyboard order. A quick photo helps guide correct replacement. To finish, align each keycap stem over the switch stem and press straight down until you feel a clean snap. Avoid rocking motions which stress plastic. Test travel as you go, and clean any loose debris with compressed air or a 70% plus isopropyl swab before replacing caps. If a key feels sticky or uneven, make sure the stabilizer wire is seated correctly and the cap is oriented the right way. Most problems come from misaligned clips or dirt, not switch failure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.